episode of Easy Peasy Labeling with me, Melissa. Today I am back with the LW-PX350 and I'm going to show you how to add simple serialized text to your labels. It's super easy. Now before we get started, I want you to know that you can add serialized text to an advanced label, or maybe like we're going to do today, that's the only thing you need on the label. Either way, it's super easy and the steps are going to be the same. So let's dive in. Now for this application, I need AB1, AB2, and AB3. So I'm going to show you how to add that on here, super easy. So first I'm going to go ahead and add the starting numbers, or that starting text is AB. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, AB. Now to get to the serializer sequence, that's going to be this sequence right here. Okay, you can see it there. Now anything in blue, we know we have to use our blue shift key to access it. So I'm going to press and hold the shift key and then hit the serializer sequence button. And it's just asking me for my starting number. So my starting number is 1, and then I can hit return. But I want to point out here that this printer only has the capability to sequence one number at a time. If you need more advanced serialization than that, or more digits, you may want to look for another printer. Give us a call if you want to discuss which may be best for your needs, but I just want you to know that this one can just do one character, one digit at a time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit return, and it's going to apply that to my label. You can see AB1 on there. Now I can go ahead and hit print. Again, if I needed to put anything else on there, I could, but I'm ready to print, so I can just hit the print key here, and it's going to print my label. Perfect, there's the first one. Then I'll just hit it again to get my second one. There's number 2, and one last time for the third one. Easy peasy, I've got all 3 labels. Now, if you have questions on serializing text, the PX350, or any other printers in the lineup, please feel free to reach out to us. We would love to chat with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling.